Why do some alleles appear only under certain conditions? Imagine a gene that only shows its effect when the weather gets really cold or when you reach a certain age. How can that be? Well, some alleles, which are different forms of a gene, only turn on or become visible in specific situations. This is because their activity depends on various factors. First, some alleles are active only in certain types of cells or tissues. For example, a gene variant might be expressed in liver cells but not in skin cells. This helps the body use genes efficiently, so only the right cells produce certain proteins. Second, many alleles are turned on only during specific stages of life. Think about genes that are active during early development or puberty. Their alleles are only expressed at those times, which can affect growth or other changes. Third, environmental factors can influence gene activity. For instance, some alleles become active only when exposed to certain temperatures, diets, or chemicals. This allows organisms to adapt to their surroundings and survive better in changing conditions. Fourth, the way genes are regulated plays a big role. Genes have control regions called promoters and enhancers that decide when a gene is turned on or off. Some alleles have special regulatory elements that restrict their activity to certain conditions. Fifth, scientists sometimes create special alleles in research. These are called conditional alleles. They are designed to be active only in specific tissues or at certain times. Researchers use systems like Cre-lox recombination to study how genes work without affecting the whole organism. Lastly, some alleles are kept in populations because they are beneficial only in certain environments. When conditions change, these alleles might stay silent or become more common. This helps explain why some traits only show up under specific circumstances. Knowing this is important for family genetic testing and health. Some genetic variants might not cause problems unless triggered by certain factors. This helps doctors understand disease risks better and plan personalized treatments. So, in simple terms, some alleles only appear under certain conditions because gene activity is carefully controlled by where, when, and how the gene is needed. This regulation helps organisms grow, adapt, and survive in a constantly changing world.